2 years ago, I had zero experience selling on Amazon, no connections, no special skills, and I was broke. Fast forward to today, I'm making over $20,000 per month on Amazon. And I'm about to show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can do it too. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick BS. It took trial and error, but once I figured it out, it became stupidly simple to scale. So grab a notepad because I'm dropping real game right now. I started just like you, watching YouTube videos, reading blog posts, and feeling overwhelmed with all the gurus selling overpriced courses. At first, I failed. I picked the wrong products, lost money, and nearly gave up. But then I found a simple 3-step system that turned everything around. And once I applied this, my sales exploded. So now I'm giving you this 3-step blueprint that made me $20,000 a month. Step 1, find a winning product fast. Most people overcomplicate this. I keep it simple. I look for small, lightweight products that sell between $15.50 and have high demand but low competition. Here's how you can find products right now. 1, go to Amazon and search best sellers in different categories. 2, look for products with at least 300 plus monthly sales but not dominated by big brands. 3, check reviews. If a product has less than 500 reviews but still sells well, it's a gold mine. Step 2, get a cheap, reliable supplier. Once I find a hot product, I go to Alibaba.com or Jungle Scout supplier database to find a manufacturer who can produce it for cheap. Pro tip, never choose the first supplier you see. Message at least 5-10 suppliers and negotiate lower prices. Want my exact supplier template that I use to negotiate? Drop it in the comments and I'll send it to you. Step 3, launch and scale fast. Now, this is where most beginners mess up. You don't just throw a product on Amazon and hope for sales. Here's what actually works. 1, optimize your listing. Use high-quality images, keyword-rich title, and persuasive bullet points. 2, use Amazon PPC ads to get instant sales and reviews. 3, leverage TikTok and Instagram influencers for viral traffic, cheap but powerful. When I started using small TikTok influencers to promote my product, my sales tripled overnight. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of people who just think about making money but never take action. I just gave you the exact roadmap to making $20,000 a month on Amazon. But if you want a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide, let me know in the comments and I'll make a detailed tutorial. Also, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button so YouTube pushes this to more people. And don't forget to subscribe because I have more money-making secrets coming your way. Now, go take action. Your future self will thank you.